Renewing existing customers. So all the customers that we interact with already own our product, which is good, right? Our product is the best in the business and our customers already own it. So essentially what a renewals representative's job is to do is to renew those customers. So make sure those existing customers renew their contracts on an annual basis or for a multi-year basis. And also to ensure that customers are handling and everything is okay from a customer success standpoint, right? We want to make sure that the product is working smoothly. They're not having any technical issues, any contractual issues. So we're able to work with customers on a customer success point of view and also as a sales representative. I came on to Veeam as a renewals representative with little to no sales experience, to be honest. So it was something I really pushed myself to get better at and learn how to be a salesman, more specifically on the renewal side of things. Like I said, I worked with small businesses at first, so learning to work with small mom and pops to then commercial accounts, which is your larger mid-sized companies. Of course, they do things a lot differently. There's more, people that you need to talk to, get in contact with, negotiate, right? And then work my way up to enterprise, which was the largest of customers. Being able to work my way from small business all the way up to enterprise customers was definitely something that was amazing. And that transition was pretty smooth. There was a lot of the community within renewals was really great for Americas. Everyone helped each other, right? If you didn't know how to quote, if you need help with quoting, if you had needed help learning how to pitch customers on upgrades, things like that, everyone was involved. So that definitely helped my trajectory moving forward. And then to now where I'm a renewal specialist. So now that I was a salesman, I understood how the business worked as a sales perspective. Now I get a chance to learn how the business, the renewals business works on the back end, right? Why do we do the things that we do? And that transition was amazing, right? I think at some point, being a renewals representative, it can only go so far, right? And I like the renewals business, so I wanted to learn why were we doing the things that we do, and now I get a chance to learn that, and it's been an amazing experience. What makes a great renewal specialist to me is someone who loves to learn, right? Because the industry is forever changing. Veeam is forever changing. The way that we do things operationally is also changing. So your willingness to learn those new things and translate it into your day-to-day is very, very important. So if you're a person who loves to learn, who loves to get their feet wet and get a little dirty, then that is what, in my personal opinion, makes a great renewals representative. And also understanding that our customers come first as well. Understanding that our customers are going to have issues, and your sole purpose is to resolve those issues first and foremost before going into a sale. So if you're a person who understands that the customer is first, that's what I believe makes a great sales candidate or renewals representative. There are tons of resources to help you thrive within the company. There are a lot of ERGs as well that Veeam takes a lot of pride in. And learning, right? They provide you these resources to not just be stagnant in your current position. They pretty much kind of force you to gain your skill set. So if you're someone who's looking to join the company, I think that is something that you're going to come in saying, wow, this is something I've never had before at a previous company, etc. We definitely pride ourselves in a team-oriented based company, and it's been amazing. Like I said, from personal experiences to some of my colleagues that I've heard from, it's been just tremendous. If you're looking for the next step in your sales career, let's connect.